In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto mount a USB stick and how to use this if you are using a tiling window manager or a desktop environment that doesn't come with the functionality to auto mount USB sticks, etc. And how to also use this in a terminal-based file manager to make it easier to move your files back and forth, etc. So to test that, I just plug in my USB stick real quick. The notification is here that it has been mounted. And I show you in my file manager here, mount. Here I go here, and here you can see an install stick for macOS Sonoma. Now I go back and unplug it real quick. Then this should be disappearing. And I plug in another stick, and then you see exactly that this is working automated. And there we go. So here is an install stick for NixOS, and that was it. That's super easy. So to achieve that, we need two things. So I go into my root folder, into the path where I show you how to do it. So I have put it into my Hyperland configuration, but you can put it into your normal configuration of Nix, for example, on NixOS, or you can install the packages via Pacman, for example, on Arch, etc., and it's not that difficult. So we need udisks2 and we need udisky. So udisks2 is basically the service that enables the mounting service to work. And udisky is a tool that you can auto start afterwards to make the mounting automated for you. So in my Hyperland, for example, I have, look at this here, exec. Here you can see udisky is starting, and that makes it that it automatically mounts the file. So in Arch, for example, you just install udisks2 and udisky, and udisks2 should automatically also enable the service for you. Otherwise, you would have to type systemctl enable udisky, udisks2, and that should fix this issue for you. Obviously, you need to do this as root, so sudo is what you have to type. And that's it for that. So another thing, what you might want to do is to set up an auto mounting point with a symlink to wherever you want it. So for example, I have it here in mount. As you can see, the original USB sticks do not get mounted here in home mount. They actually are getting mounted in run media and then my username. So that's Fred. So here this is currently empty because no USB stick is there. But what I did is basically I created the folder mount. You can name it whatever you want in your home folder. It's just an empty folder basically. And then you can create a symlink. So to do that, you need to type in ln-s run media and then your username. So in my case, it's Fred. This will always be run media and then your username. So you can do that whenever you want. And then you type in the path where you want to mount it to. So for example, here, home, Fred, mount. And if you do that, then it creates a symlink. And then you will have also your username just inside of mount, and then you will be easily able to access it. Once you've done that, I recommend to restart your computer, and then you should have it working for you. I really hope that this helped you, and if you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you really liked the video, also subscribe to my channel, please. And if you have any further questions regarding this, don't forget to leave a comment so I can address that in my next video. Have a good day and talk to you next time.